Hello all, my name is Valli Gayatri from Bhagavad Gita Foundation for Vedic Studies. Most of you must be knowing that we have launched the campaign of our Mission 5 Billion project on 14 December 2021, that is Gita Jayanti Day. Our mission is to see over 50% of the world understand the art of doing karma by the year 2050. Many people are asking us to make a video on how to learn Gita and also asking us to suggest the best Gita books available in the market. And so, I am here before you to address all such queries. We from Bhagavad Gita Foundation for Vedic Studies have produced Gita in 3 styles so far, and we will present them now one by one. To begin with, let us present to you the first style of Gita, which we named Dhyana Gita. This is meant for reciting along or playing in temples one chapter every day in the morning. The recitation will be slow and clear, where children can easily recite along. So, this is the best one for the newcomers to learn, reciting all the 700 Gita slokas of Gita in Sanskrit. Let us listen to one sample sloka from the English version now.
यज्ञदानतपः कर्म न त्याज्यं कार्यमेव तत् यज्ञो दानं तपश्चैव पावनानि मनीषिणाम् एतान्यपि तु कर्माणि सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा फलानि च कर्तव्यानीति मे पार्थ निश्चितं मतमुत्तमम् निश्चितं मतमुत्तमम्.
The second one is called the Self-Learning Bhagavad Gita, where every sloka is recited using Hindustani ragas for the first time in the world. Here, the meaning is also explained after the sloka to enable everyone who wishes to learn the meaning of every Gita sloka as it is from Jagadguru Sri Lord Krishna. We recommend the people to listen to this version in their free time, either at the office or at home. If you keep listening repeatedly, one can easily understand the essence of Gita. Let us listen to a few shlokas now.
सर्वभूतेषु येनैकं भावमव्ययमीक्षते अविभक्तं विभक्तेषु तज्ज्ञानं विद्धि सात्विकम्.
That by which man perceives one imperishable divine existence as undivided and equally present in all individual beings. Know that knowledge to be sattvika.
पृथक्त्वेन तु यज्ञानम् नानाभावान् पृथग्विधान् वेत्ति सर्वेषु भूतेषु तज्ज्ञानं विद्धि राजसम्.
The knowledge by which man cognizes many existences of various kinds as apart from one another in all beings, know that knowledge to be rajasika.
यत्तु कृत्स्नवदेकस्मिन् कार्ये सक्तमहैतुकम् अतत्त्वार्थवदल्पं च तत्तामसमुदाहृतम्.
Again, That knowledge which clings to one body as if it were the whole and which is irrational, has no real grasp of truth and is trivial, has been declared as Tamasika.
Hope you have enjoyed the Gita recitation in Hindustani ragas. The third style of Gita is meant for today's youth and foreigners. We named this Gita version as the Gita with fusion music. And this kind of attempt is the first of its kind in the world. We gave 18 different BGMs for all 18 chapters. Let us listen to one sample shloka now.
यदा भूतपृथग्भावम् एकस्थमनुपश्यति तत एव च विस्तारम् ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते तदा ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते तदा अनादित्वान् निर्गुणत्वात् परमात्मायमव्ययः शरीरस्थोऽपि कौन्तेय न करोति न लिप्यते न करोति न लिप्यते यथा सर्वगतं सौक्ष्म्यात् आकाशं नोपलिप्यते सर्वत्रावस्थितो देहे तथात्मानोपलिप्यते तथात्मानोपलिप्यते यथा प्रकाशयत्येकः कृत्स्नं लोकमिमं रविः क्षेत्रं क्षेत्री तथा कृत्स्नं प्रकाशयति भारत प्रकाशयति भारत
Hope you are thrilled to see Gita with contemporary music. All these three versions are made in English, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and a few other languages and are made available on our YouTube channels. You may go to YouTube and type Gita University and you will find Gita University channel as shown on the screen with 500 plus videos. Pick Gita University channel and you will get all the available channels concerning various languages as you see on the screen now. For example, let us pick English now. We have landed at the English channel homepage now. Then you now pick playlists and there you can see all the three styles of Gita like Dhyana Gita, Self-Learning Gita and Fusion Music Gita. You may listen to any of these in your free time and don't forget to share the playlist with your friends. Alternatively, to get an automated text message with our YouTube channel links, you may give a missed call on 9128 444 555. Parallel to listening to Gita on our YouTube channels, you may visit Gita Press website that is displayed on the screen gitapressbookshop.in and you can order Gita books online from anywhere across the world. Here, you can pick categories on the left side as you see on the screen and go to the topic and then you will see a huge list of topics. Here, you may pick Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the one at the top left. Then, you will get the display of all the Gita books available in all languages. You can see Gita books right from 20 rupees to 500 rupees in various sizes and details. We recommend you to buy all the books available in your language. Maybe there will be 5 to 6 books, which might cost around 1000 rupees altogether. Please refer to these books if you get any doubts on Gita, or visit our website gitauniversity.in, and under the activities menu, please visit Ask a Question and post your doubt on Gita or anything concerned with the Tattva of God, so that we can answer in our 108 episodes that are coming from the first week of February 2022. You may also post your questions on Gita University construction and the processes involved in the Mission 5 Billion project. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Ram, Om Namah Shivaya.